Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily change your voice in Google Translate. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video. Also, don't forget to write your comments. And let us get started with you. So, friends, first of course, you will need to open Google Translate itself. After that, on the top right, click on this sign. Next, click on Settings. In the settings, we're going to be interested in this little item here. Select the speech region here. Next, select the language you want. I'm choosing English. And here, friends, you'll be able to customize for yourself exactly what kind of English you would like to choose. For example, English for India, English for Australia, English for Canada, and so on. Once you've chosen the one that suits you, you go back and go to pronunciation speed as well. Here, friends, you will be able to adjust the speed at which the words will be pronounced in Google Translator. For example, as you can see, the default speed here is normal, the speed at which a normal person speaks. But you can make it faster or slower. And after installing it, just go back, so you will save all the changes in Google Translator. This is the simple way, friends, you can change your voice in Google Translate. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments under the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care.